Okay guys, so yesterday during our virtual learning session that we had, we talked about informational books and how we can make nonfiction informational books ourselves. So we did read the nonfiction reader about elephants yesterday. I'll go through just quickly to remind you of the pictures that we saw in this nonfiction text. Remember, a nonfiction text is a book that is about real things and real events with only factual information that you research before you write about it. So, sorry, I have to log in really quick here. So in this book, we know that it's nonfiction because we can see that the photographs are real. It has all facts. And what I really like about this is at the end, the author did add some interesting facts about elephants that she really liked. Here she says, "My favorite thing about elephants is the many things they can do with their trunk. From drinking water to lifting things to wiping their eyes, elephant trunks are amazing," which is what you guys are going to do in your informational book. So right after you watch this video, you're actually going to read along with this nonfiction reader that we read earlier. And you're going to get a chance to hear the book again, and you can even go back and turn the sound off and read it yourself if you feel like you're ready for that. After that, you're going to go into the template that I made you for your All About Animal book, and you're going to make an All About Elephants book full of informational facts that you found from the book that you'll read about elephants. We also read it yesterday, but again, I posted it so you could watch it or read it again. So going into the template, I'm going to go over all of the slides that you're going to need to make, or all of the pages, and I'm going to tell you what you need to put on each of those pages. So here it says, all about name of animal. Since today you'll be talking about an elephant, you're going to say all about elephants. And you're going to put your name down here. So if I was going to put my name, I would put Miss Baucom. But put your name down here where it says by blank. That's your name, okay? Then you're going to want to go to Google Images and find a picture of an elephant to put on the cover. Now you can do that last, and after I show you all the slides, I'm going to show you how to find images on Google. So here we're going to pass the table of contents and come back to it later. For appearance, you're going to answer the question, what does this animal look like? And you're going to write information up here and down here. That's why I put info. Info means information. And then you're going to put a picture here of what elephants look like. The third page that you're going to do is habitat. So the question that you want to answer for habitat is, where does this animal live? So you're going to put information about where the animal lives and then put a picture. For food, which is the next page you're going to do, you're going to answer the question, what does this animal eat? You're going to put information about what it eats, put a picture there. For babies, this page is all about babies. You're going to answer two questions. How are the babies born? Okay, so are they born live like mammals? Are they laid as eggs? Are they amphibians and they go through stages like a frog? Tell me, okay, how the babies are born. And then tell me, what do they look like? So when they're born, what do they look like? Do they look like an egg? Do they look like a small little furry creature? What do they look like? Okay? And then there's an optional page that you can do about family. And here it says, how do the families live? Mommies and daddies together or mommies and daddies apart? And who takes care of the babies? For example, for penguins, penguin daddies are the ones that that sit on the eggs before they hatch, and with elephant mommies are the ones that take care of the babies. So answer those questions on this page about family. And then finally we have the Did You Know page, and you can give me 3 fun facts. Fun fact number 1, fun fact number 2, and fun fact number 3. This means cool facts, so anything you find interesting, you learn about the animal. And this is the best page. You give information about yourself on the Meet the Author page. It says, tell us about yourself. So those are all the pages that you need to fill out for your informational book. Today it will be about elephants. The table of contents we'll go over tomorrow during our live session, or today if we have time. But you're going to essentially put on each page, because you're going to add page numbers on the bottom as you see that I added them. Okay, you're going to put on each page, or you're going to put what you put on each page. For example, I would put appearance, page 2. And then down here I would put habitat, page 3. So go back to my table of contents, habitat, page 3. Okay? Okay, so that's essentially what you're going to do for your All About Elephants book. I went through all of the pages. If you want to watch this video again to get the information again and the instructions, feel free to do that. I can't wait to see your informational books, and we'll see you soon.